Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily add dimples to your photo using the FaceApp. Okay, so here I've already on the FaceApp and I've already choose a photo. And if you want to add dimples to your photo, you can easily find it on the features options in here. Just click on features, then you can see dimples, so just click on that, and in here you can choose like the intensity between number 1 to 5. So this is 1. It's not slightly visible, but for the 5 or 4, it will go like this. Okay, you can see now there's dimples in the photo, and you can just click on save to save the photo to your gallery. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Thank you.